Thought to myself, do you know what have I done? This is the only orange, or clementine as they call it, from this year in the country. Loved every minute of it.
Bob spent years looking for the perfect VW Fastback. He finally found Kirk, only to immediately regret his decision on the drive home. But what started as a gamble turned into a show-winning story of passion, patience and pride. Today you'll hear the full story. Welcome back to Resto Revival. I'm your host Will. Let's get into it. Bob, hello.
Hi there, how are you, Will?
I'm good. Thank you for joining me.
It's a pleasure, an absolute pleasure it is. So pleased to meet you.
Yeah, well, thanks. Thanks for your time.
Great, no problems at all.
Tell us what we're sat in front of.
We are sat in front of my absolutely gorgeous VW Fastback, 1971. I purchased it in 3 years ago in April. After Steve brought it out the garage, I was instantly attached to it. The colour just popped, and decided there and then if it was running all right, I would purchase it, which I did. But then on the journey home from Pinkston, it started to misfire and bang and what have you.
And you thought, what have I done?
I did. I thought to myself, do you know what have I done? Got it home and then started going through Google, looking for somebody that could service or look at an air-cooled engine. Never ever thought about it, but yeah, found a guy. He did a very thorough check on it. Checked compression on the cylinders, and found, to be totally honest with you, found a load of gunk, dirt in the cylinders, in the pistons. Did it all, did a service on it, and ever since then, the car in the last 3.5 years, touch wood, has run like an absolute dream. I've had no problems with it at all. She's been amazing. Loved every minute of it. But yeah, I've done quite a bit to her. I should say to him. We call it Kirk because of the KRK part of it. But yeah, it's been an absolute joy to have.
You've been looking for a while, hadn't you?
I've been looking for probably. It took me from outset to buying it. It probably took me about 3 or 4 years. The reason being is I'd got a budget of 5,000 to start with, and the cars that I was looking at were £5,000. Some of them were non-runners. Yeah. Bodywork was horrendous, and I really wanted something that was running, so I could actually take it to shows. So I decided the best thing to do was to save up some more money. So I got myself a £10,000 budget, and to give myself a chance of getting one that wasn't so much of a project, but was something I could drive to shows and at the same time do a bit of work on it, which I have done over the last 3.5 years. I've done a bit of work on it. I've done the engine's been taken out and powder coated, and I've had the seats done back to factory, or as near to factory as I could get, which is the black basket weave, and as I say, she's been an absolute delight to have, and I've got quite a few. I've got 3 seconds with her. In class, 2 at Tatton Hall up in Cheshire, and I got a second in class this year at the prestigious VW Stanford Hall this year, and then to top it all, in August this year, where I met you, Will, at VW Tatton. I got a first in class.
Yeah.
And hence that's where you came over to me and...
Well, yeah,
and
I saw your placard, which was basically celebrating the life and story of the car, and I thought, this is my kind of guy. This is someone I need to make a beeline to, and yeah, I think you sum up the sort of person that I want to speak to, and the sort of person that hopefully watches this, who just is so fanatical about a specific car.
Yeah.
And you know, you love to tell the story, and you love to share that story with other people.
And I want other people to ask me questions about it. It's not like I'm at a show, and I want people to come and talk to me about it, because I've got such a story to tell. And to me, it's just absolutely brilliant. I mean, the one thing that enticed me and encouraged me to go and have a look at this car was the fact that the guy selling it had got the original bill of sale as well. Now that, to me, straight away, 9 o'clock on a Friday night, really enticed me. And I thought to myself, the car is already talking to me, and it's 40, 50 mile away. I got the guy I said, can you send it through, email it to me, which he did at 9 o'clock at night. I looked at it, and I said to my son Oliver, who's into his cars as well, do you know what? I'm going to go and have a look at that car. And within 12 hours, I was on his doorstep, because I knew if I didn't go and have a look at it, there would be other people that, because of the colour as well, it's so eye-catching. So when I went up there, and while I was talking to the guy about it, 2 other people phoned up about it, and he said, no, I'm with somebody at the moment. And I thought, do you know what, I'm in a predicament here. Do I buy it or do I walk away? And the thought of walking away from it was never ever going to enter my head, because I wanted it. And I thought, do you know what, that bill of sale, it's just lovely. It just tells me a lot about the guy that bought it. But I've got no regrets about buying it. In actual fact, I've got quite a few cars. There's quite a few cars in the family. We've got 8 cars altogether. The most reliable is Kirk. She's amazing. I've been down today to start her up for the first time for a month. Just started. She's just beautiful. And she's lovely. Yeah, I do love her, Kirk. She's beautiful. She'll be locked away during the winter. And there's been numerous shows that I've supposed to have taken her to and paid quite a bit of money to go to, but if it's raining, she doesn't come out. And that is a sacrifice I'm willing to make, because I think she deserves it. So no, apart from the floor pan, I think that's about it. Just enjoy her. And I do enjoy her. She's absolutely beautiful.
It's the sort of car that other people enjoy just seeing and looking at. And
oh, well, I can be out here cleaning it, and people will stop and ask me questions about. If I go and fill up at the petrol station, people will stop me and say, "Oh my God, I had one of these. Or my dad had one." You know, and if it's somebody a bit young, "Oh, my dad had one of these. He had a green one, or he had a yellow one." And do you know what? You don't see many of these around. When I did VW Tatton this year, where you were, how many cars were there? There was hundreds and hundreds. But I think there was only one other Fastback there, right-hand drive. There was left-hand drive, but this was the only one. But yeah, I think she's just beautiful.
Yeah, very much so. I think we'll have a quick look at the engine.
Of course you can.
And then we'll take her out for a drive.
Yeah, by all means you can. No problems at all. Let's do it. I'd love to take you out. Let me show you the engine bay. I mean, this is absolutely brilliant. I look at this. This is so original.
Amazing.
This is what I saw. What you're going to appreciate. This is what I saw when I looked at it the first time.
Like a camping ground sheet.
It was absolutely amazing. Seeing this here was absolutely amazing.
That's when you know you're in an
Well,
old German.
it just endeared itself to me. And I
Yeah.
thought, this is over 50 years old. And I thought, my God, can I carry on?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I've had the engine. I've had the engine taken out.
Yeah.
And that's the engine. I had it taken out, Will. All parts that needed it were powder coated, and put back together. And she looks absolutely, well, to me, it looks absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
I kept this original. I just wanted to keep everything as original. It's the one reason why I wanted this car was because it not been lowered and had Porsche wheels put on it. It's absolutely original.
I was going to say, the only other fastbacks I've seen are the ones on Air Ride.
There you go.
Yeah, and
yeah.
I'm not personally a fan.
No, well, I'm not. I want, as Derek at Bangers and Cash Live says, and it stuck with me. It's only original once. And that has stuck with me. And the only thing that has been, that I had nothing to do with, was the paintwork. It's been painted, resprayed, but it's in the original colour. The colour just pops.
Yeah.
So yeah, I wanted something that was original, and I could drive.
What a lovely job! What a lovely thing that you can say that it's totally original. You haven't.
Yeah, apart from the paintwork, but the paintwork is the original colour.
Yeah.
But it's it's just beautiful.
Yeah,
And for someone that's 54 years old as well.
You can see the difference here compared with some of the other bits down there.
Yeah.
But yeah, immaculate little thing.
Oh, it
You've
is.
done a great job.
Oh, thank you. Well, most of the work was done really by Steve, who I bought it off. As I say, I've done the engine, the seats as well. The seats look absolutely great. But that was a 3-hour conversation with somebody trying to get that right, because I want everything right.
Yeah, of course.
I wanted it so right. But the one thing I like about it is she's so reliable. I've taken her up to North Yorkshire and back in a day. To Bangers and Cash Live, went to Cheshire this year, and she just drives beautiful, which you'll find out when you sit in it. Well, you'll find out she drives, and the sound of the air-cooled engine is just it's just beautiful.
Yeah, perfect. Well, let's go do that, shall we?
Yeah, of course we can. Let's go and do it.
What is that, 4-speed? 5-speed?
4-speed, yeah. She cries out for a 5th gear.
Yeah.
But you know what? That's how she was.
Yeah.
And that's how I want her. And she's a 4-speed, and she's people say, why put a radio in? And I say, do you know what? One, it's not original then, and two, what's not to like about listening to an air-cooled engine?
There's certain cars you just want to listen to the engine. You don't want radio, do you?
No, not at all.
And air-cooled, I think, is definitely in that category.
Yeah, I'd like to have had an air-cooled Porsche, but we're looking at...
Oh yeah, silly money, aren't we?
Oh gosh, yeah.
Yeah,
well,
I think you can times your original budget by about 10.
Oh, tell me about it. It is. It's one of them. But I'm happy with this. This is. This is just. As I say, it's so reliable. Here's me saying that. It'll probably break down in the next couple of weeks. The way things are going at the back. They say things happen in threes.
There you go.
But yeah, it's been a joy, an absolute joy to have.
It's just refreshingly honest in here, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, I'm glad you think that, Will.
Yeah. It's nice. Really nice.
Not been messed around with.
No.
Not been messed around with at all.
Very, very honest and original. Feels like the sort of car that you want to have a picnic basket on the back bench. You want to park up somewhere on a scenic hill on a nice day.
Oh, tell me
just
about
look
it.
at her or him. Kirk is a bit fluid, isn't it?
Oh, it's Kirk's part of the family. Kirk is part of the family.
Yeah,
I tell you.
and rightfully so.
If it wasn't for this car, I wouldn't have met you. Because you wouldn't have come over yeah, and do you know what?
And now other people will get to hear the story.
And do you know what? And it makes me realise that even though there's been a bit of heartache getting the car to run right, I made the right decision.
Yeah.
I went with my gut instinct. I didn't take anybody with me to look at it. I just went with my gut instinct to say, do I buy it? And I did. And at the time, I did think to myself, do you know what? Have I made the wrong decision? But do you know what? All came good. And as I say, if it wasn't for me buying this, I wouldn't have met you. You're exactly the same. You love your cars. And I'd like to wish you all the best for the future, Will, as well.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh.
It's nice to meet someone like you that's so passionate.
Oh, I just love it.
And authentic.
I mean, the roar of that engine is just beautiful.
That's lovely, isn't it?
Oh, it is. What's that to like, Will?
I was going to say, it just puts a smile on your face.
Oh,
it's not.
Tell me about it.
It's not trying to rev its guts off. It's not about how loud it is.
No.
It's just.
Well, I never ever, I mean, even on the motorway, I don't do much more than about 50, 55, you know, because do you know what? I think she deserves that.
Yeah.
She deserves to be
pampered and
looked after and cherished and pampered. Do you know what?
Yeah.
It's like a baby to me. But anyway, Will, thanks for coming.
No.
I've really, really enjoyed it.
No,
and it's nice to know that there are people like you out there. We need people like you that do the YouTubing, and I'd like to wish you all success in what you're doing.
Well, thank you.
You and your family as well. So,
no, well, thank you for your time. I've really enjoyed it. Really enjoyed meeting Kirk.
I've really enjoyed showing it to you. Because it's been great. It's been lovely. This is the only orange, or clementine as they call it, from this year in the country. So
that's amazing, isn't it?
She's a rare beast.
I mean, she's rare and amazing to look at, but for you to say this is the only one in the colour on that year in the country
of this model,
That's
there
amazing.
might be other different models, but of the TA, I think this is the only one. It says on that.
I saw that.
So it's one
you
of
made
those.
a pie chart to illustrate it.
I didn't know that at the time. I didn't know it when I bought it.
Yeah.
But you know what? And that leads me to believe I made the right decision.
I was going to say, if the seller knew that.
Well, exactly. He'd have asked more money.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
He'd have probably asked more money.
Yeah. Thank you again. That was great fun. Really enjoyed it. Thanks.
It's a pleasure. An absolute pleasure, Will. I've loved every minute of it. Loved every minute. It's been good.